Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal" within the loop. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. Imagine you're at work, and your boss keeps referring to a meeting you know nothing about. You start to feel uncomfortable and confused, wondering why you're not in the loop. So, being in the loop simply means being informed or involved in a particular situation or project. So, to clarify, in the loop means being up to date or included in a specific situation or project. For example, I'm glad I'm in the loop on this project, so I know what's going on. To remember the meaning, think of a group of people standing in a circle, all connected by a loop. If you're in the loop, you're part of that circle and connected to the information or project at hand. Let me give you a 5-sentence story using "in the loop." Samantha was surprised when she wasn't invited to the meeting. She felt left out and wondered what was going on. When she asked her boss, he explained that it was a confidential meeting. But he promised to keep her in the loop on any updates. Now, Samantha feels informed and included. Did you know that the phrase "in the loop" comes from aviation? It refers to a pilot staying within a specific flight path or loop. Now, it's commonly used in business and social situations. Let me give you some example sentences. Can you keep me in the loop on this project? I'm not in the loop on the latest company news. Being in the loop is essential for effective communication. Here's an original sentence using "in the loop." Can you make sure I'm in the loop on any changes to the schedule? Reworded, can you keep me updated on any schedule changes? Can you inform me if there are any changes to the schedule? Let me share a real-life story. My friend missed out on a job opportunity because she wasn't in the loop on the hiring process. She learned the importance of staying informed and connected. Other similar expressions include "in on the secret" and "in the know." Opposite expressions include "out of the loop" and "left in the dark." Related idioms include "up to speed" and "in the picture." Let me give you a story using the related idiom "up to speed." After a long vacation, John had to catch up on all the work he missed. But with some effort, he quickly got up to speed and was back in the loop with his team. Let's test your knowledge with a quiz. What does "in the loop" mean? A. Out of touch. B. Up to date and informed. C. Confused and lost. Answer B. Being in the loop means being up to date and informed. To summarize, in the loop means being up to date or included in a particular situation or project. Remember, staying informed and connected is essential for effective communication and success. We'd love to hear your story within the loop. Encouraging phrase, don't worry, we'll keep you in the loop.